Hello, today I'm going to take away the height settings control on. I'm gonna cut away this after market welded ear, and also gonna cut out this little insert piece that they have welded in here to make that setting flush for some reason, and I'm going to show how to take this apart. There, and in some models there's a little ball here and the spring, but in this model there's only a spring and a lock screw there for the axle, and the axle looks like this, has a little slicer for the lock screw. So it's like that. Here there's a spring. In some models there's also a ball there on the top of the spring, so when you put it back together it's a good idea to just cover the ball in grease and attach it to the spring, and it will stay there during the mounting process. Wrong size, of course. Oh, might be millimeter on this one. It's kind of a messed up mix. Some stuff are millimeters, so some stuff are inches. Also a great variation between millimeters hardware and Imperial hardware. They use BSV, UNF, UNC, Whitworth. Oh, and we have oil. And it's not supposed to be oil up that high. It's my fault. I have filled up the crank house just to give a little extra oil situation, since the machine has been sitting for a while. I wanted to give it a nice oil bath. So I need to empty the oil, and I'll get back once I've done that.